We are in the first days of 2025 and I made up a game for this year. I have $10,000 budget. With this budget, I'm gonna create a company and I'm gonna start selling the products I found online, guys. And my market for this game will be UK. Let me tell you why I chose UK. There are three reasons. First, they have strong digital economy. Second, they have access to global markets such as Europe. And third, they have supportive business environment. And I also want to add a bonus. Why? Because the UK is English speaking country, the founders of English language. Why it's important? Because creating the contents in English is way more better. Why? Because you will be able to work with English speakers, so you will reach high quality people. So why you should trust me in e-commerce, guys? Firstly, you shouldn't trust anyone. Of course, you should watch us, you should watch the other YouTubers, you should read articles, and you should talk with your friends and whatever. But please don't trust anyone. Everybody has their own path. I'm just going to try to give my experiences to you, so maybe it would work for you. Even it makes a little difference, that's good for me, and also that's good for you. Let me give you a very brief information about myself. While I was living in USA to study, I was in this hustle game. I did food delivery, I did Uber, Lyft, I did subleasing, Airbnb business, and also I did Amazon sales. What I sold basically in 2018, I sold second-hand books, guys. I was going to garage sales, going to library sales, finding some second-hand books and selling them. I made quite good money on that, but I had to get back to my country, which was Turkey, because I had to be there to continue this business. After I get back to Turkey, I found my private label thermos flask company. I sold my flasks and thermoses and pint cups in Turkey and in Germany. I had Amazon accounts, I had other marketplace accounts, and I had my e-commerce sites. After I got that opportunity to get into real estate business in Bali, Indonesia with my partners, I had to save money for that investment, so I sold all my stocks and I get out of e-commerce business for a while, and I put all of my money into real estate market in Bali, and it goes well. And this is one of our real estate guys. We have two, and I have stainless steel trade business. It's a family business. Since 2008 I work for this business. It's a raw material like sheets and pipes and fittings distribution business. I've been in that business for like 20 years, and that's my fixed income source. Alright guys, now you know me, and let's get back to business. As I told you, I stopped my e-commerce business for 1.5 years. Now I want to get back because I have a lot of experience, and actually for e-commerce that's a game for me. I really like to move products around, sending the materials to any other foreign countries, importing them, exporting them. I just enjoy that. And of course, making money, making profit is always fine. This year I want to focus on the UK, and my whole budget for this business is $10,000, which is equal to 8,000 British pounds. What we will do, we will set up a company, we will find some products, we will import those products to UK and send it to fulfillment centers. Not only Amazon, I also want to put my materials into TikTok fulfillment center in UK, and let's see how it goes. First thing first, you gotta find the products. This time I don't want to create a brand, which I did before. Creating a brand is very nice and very satisfying, but you have to give everything of you for this brand. It's like a baby, you need to make it grow, but I don't have that kind of time because I'm a businessman. I have to be in places, I have my investments, I have my ongoing business. So what I want to do here is to find the best selling products, the top selling products, which fits with my interest and also with my budget. My very basic plan is to find the materials with Fastmost, which is a data center for TikTok. Then to check the materials I found through Fastmost in TikTok, if I could sell them also in Amazon. Let me show you real quick how I do it. Alright guys, this was my thermos business. It was so very saturated business in Turkey and also in Germany, but I did it and I got my lessons. Now I try to not get into saturated businesses, but we worked a lot though. So check out guys what I do. Now I'm in Fastmost and I got this top selling products list. There are 28 categories in TikTok. I make it monthly. I want to check out monthly sales and revenues. And let's get into toys and hobbies. So what I basically do first, I push this button to, I want to see the highest income product at the top, and I'm checking. As you see, I want to show you some, I can say, some weird products here that I found, but it makes really good money. Alright guys, so this is Christmas realistic reborn baby doll. This guy did 5.8k. So what I do here is basically to check out this. Okay, it makes sales. Here is its revenue, and so I'm taking this keyword here. I copy that, then I put it to amazon.co.uk. So guys, the keyword was on TikTok, reborn girl doll toy. And right here, now we understand the keyword is reborn baby dolls. That's texted. So what I do, I analyze this product. I take out this sponsored ads. I don't want to see them. Alright guys, so let's check this out. It's a great product. Why? Because it only has like 100 reviews, average reviews here, which is very nice, and average price is £52. Let's check out if we can find this material on Alibaba. So prices are actually higher than I thought, but it's still fine. We can work on it. Let's say we found this $23. Let's convert it to, so it is £18 and 51 pennies. Let's check out here. It is sold for like £60, £41. And the average price is £52. It's still expensive, I guess. We need to find some cheaper options. But that's basically how we work. And also, I found this website which is called Exploiting Topics. So guys, what I do, I just paste it here, reborn baby dolls. I want to check out for Great Britain, United Kingdom, or just checking out. It's loading the data because I want to see its forecast, how it goes, and if people really want to buy this product. This Exploiting Topic, I guess it gets the data from Google. Let's check this out. So check out check out the growth for reborn baby dolls Halloween, like 900%. Okay, it's a very interesting product, but let's check this out. It really sells, why not? I can get into this business, but I need to analyze it more for sure. At the moment, what I do, I find a lot of products. I have like 30-40 products list, and I'm going to analyze them more, and my plan is to find 3 products in different categories, so I will be in safe zone. Let's say if I put all my money in one product and it doesn't sell, so it's not good for business because I have to shut my business down. So with 3 products, I'm dividing my risk. So if only one of them sells, there will be cash flow and I can find new products or the same product to import, and I can keep up my business. Alright guys, I don't want to make this video longer. If you guys like this video, please push the like button and also subscribe me. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. So see you later.